Imagine getting designer quality products without the designer price tag. Sounds impossible, right? Well, that's exactly what Temu brings to your fingertips. This game-changing e-commerce platform has taken the online shopping world by storm, offering thousands of products across every category imaginable. From kitchen gadgets that make cooking a breeze to fashion items that keep you on trend, Temu delivers quality without compromising your budget. What makes Temu truly special is their commitment to affordability and customer satisfaction. Every day, new deals appear on the platform, but we've secured something even better: an exclusive coupon code that gives you extra savings on top of their already incredible prices. The user-friendly interface lets you browse millions of items, read genuine reviews, and shop with confidence. Whether you're furnishing your home, upgrading your wardrobe, or finding the perfect gift, Temu makes it easy and affordable. You can find the exclusive link and our special coupon code in the description and comments section. Join the smart shopping revolution today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive offers.